Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited, Chicken Love just arrived. Do you want to know what is in my August box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my August box just arrived. I'm super excited to see what is going to be in this month. Last month they killed it. This is now my third box. I have two top favorites. I have one that's mainly just for treats, and I have this one that's for the chickens and for myself, and I love both of them. So I'm hoping to keep both of them for a little while. This one I'm going to renew another 3 months because I want 3 more boxes of this one because I really like it. So we're gonna do another 3 months of this one so we can find out what to do moving forward. But this is my third box. This will complete my first subscription that I purchased. So let's get into here. They did put a spoiler on their Instagram, so you can also follow them on their Instagram if you want some spoilers. And I'm super excited about this month's shirt. Yes, shirt. That's one thing I really like about this one, because you always get a shirt. They have a shirt only, they have a mini box, and then the mega box, and all 3 of them have this monthly shirt. And I like that. They do put the top, they put the little sticker right here, and they do explain very well what is for you versus what is for the chicken. And I absolutely love that, because if there's treats in here that could be for both, I definitely don't want to eat their food, so. Oh, if you want a little sneak peek in the box, again, I'm so excited. These chicken subscription boxes are so exciting for me. There's a sneak peek to inside of the box, and that's a big bag of some Grubs over here. Okay, so let's go with the shirt first, because, oh, and it's gray. When I said I saw the spoiler of the shirt on their website, it looked like it was a black shirt. And I was like, oh, that's cool, but it's actually a gray shirt. So this is this monthly shirt. It is an acid wash black. So that's why it looks like it's black, but it's acid washed. So it looks like a grayish kind of color, because that's not a black. That's more of like a gray. I think that's so pretty though. Look at that. Look at the chickens. And it says Chicken Love. That is super cute. And with the shirts, you can choose the size. And they go from size small to 3XL. So you choose the size when you do subscribe. So the tee came from the folks at Color Tone, but Chicken Love added the awesome. When do you have enough chicken tees? Never, because we love chickens. So again, whatever tier, if it's just the chicken only. No, if it's just the shirt only. If it's a shirt only, if it's the mini box or the mega box, this is the shirt that you would receive. And I'm super excited about this one. That is so cute. So already impressed with the shirt. Now this big bag of treats right here, Grubby Farms. And I do see this brand a lot. On reviews and even like the Amazon like #1 sellers. I see this brand a lot, so I'm excited about that. This right here is Grubby's Hometown Harvest, a full 1 pound bag of the best Grubs ever. We are so proud to have Grubbies. And that is a big bag. It's 1 pound. It says 50 times more calcium than mealworms. So then are these like the soldier black? Yes, oven dried black soldier fly Grubs, sustainably grown on farms in the US and Canada. So you have a 1 pound big bag of the soldier black fly treats, and my girls love this stuff. So all brands, doesn't matter, they absolutely love that product. So next we have is, we have a scrubber, and that's awesome. I actually take their water out, and I have like a little bottle scrubber thing that's like I don't know, it doesn't work all that great. So now I'm going to put this there. So every time I clean their water out, I'm going to use this to scrub everything out. They are so messy, and they just love playing in the dirt. And so a lot of dirt and stuff gets in their water. So I'm constantly cleaning it. So they have fresh water. They love fresh water. So this is going to help me keep them nice, clean, fresh water. So I love that. I'm definitely going to put this by my little thing, my station where I fill their water up. And this is how I'm going to clean their water now. Yay. So this has got to be for me. Let's see. It says, no, it's a scrub brush for them. As seen on the Coffee with the Chicken Ladies tip of the day, use this IKEA scrub brush to swipe your waters daily. So goodbye algae. See, what was I just saying I was going to use it for? And use the handy hanger on the fence when you're done. Oh, right there. Mine, I'm going to just set on top of my rain barrel because I just rinse it out with the rainwater from the, the rainwater that we have in the barrels. So I just set it on top of it. And then whenever I clean the water out, it'll be right there. Clean it out and I'm good to go. But yes, this is definitely going to help scrub it because the one that I have now is like some sponge little pieces. It's meant, I think, for like a bottle like cleaner, and it doesn't really scrub and like get all that green stuff that's forming inside of it every now and then. Like I'll have like one little tiny thing of green. I'm like, what in the world? And that thing doesn't do very good. So this is going to scrub it. So I'm super excited. I'm so excited about a scrubber, and it's from IKEA. So there is that. Oh, for the Grubby Farm, it also gives you a $10 off coupon if you wanted to get the big, huge container of it. It would be, there's some coupons here. So if your girls love it, you can always reorder and save some money with that coupon. So that's awesome. So next we have is, what in the world? What in the world is this? What are you? What are these? Are these pot holders? Are these really pot holders with? Are these pot holders? Let me see. It just says sustainable fair trade jewelry and accessories. Lucia's imports set of 2 chicken hot pads made authentically by artisans. Read about the good works this company does in and for the women in Guatemala. So that's where these came from. I love a good fair trade product. That's like the best things I find. Even like the handmade, hand-blown glass products are like the favorite. And anything out of my kitchen that I use all the time is mainly like fair trade products. And I love that. But maybe you just fold it and you just grab it, and so you fold it sideways. I'm just thrown off by the little chicken in the middle, so you must just do it sideways like that to grab. That is so cute though. Those are so cute. I've never seen anything like that. And again, I love a good fair trade item. And I always love to read the stories behind it and see where it comes from. And you can just see all the hard work and dedication that they put into it. Something that is a lost art here, I feel. So I love that they found these because that is definitely really, really different. So unique. And there is the little hanger so you can hang them. And if you guys are following me, I did change my whole kitchen theme to chickens and like more like farmstead. I took All Nightmare Before Christmas out, so I can now hang these where my pot holders and stuff are, and it'll match. That is super, super cute. So you have those, and they are made in Guatemala. So up next we have is, okay, so you have this like a vegetable bag, so you can like even toss like a head of lettuce, a whole thing of cabbage down inside. And this hook goes with it, and you can hang it somewhere for the girls to just peck at. That is really, really neat. Mine are still a little small. I don't know when I should start giving them like whole cabbages. If you guys know, definitely let me know in the comment section because I'm still learning. Mine are really, really young still, but I do like that I can put even like some tomatoes or something down inside of here and give to them. So I really like that. And yeah, I like having another way to give them treats, and that's like less messy. It won't be on the ground, it'll be off the floor, and it'll keep it clean. So you have this, and it says chicken vegetable net bag. Load this with a whole cabbage, what'd I say? Or greens, fruits, and vegetables that your chickens love. Hang it and enjoy watching them snack away. Entertaining for you and for your chickens. I can't wait, let me tell you. So that is super cool. I don't know if it comes in different colors, but this one is a red one. So now we have it looks like I'm going to have some more items to put in my first aid kit. The first item that I got was a little thing of aspirin. I can't remember which box that now came in, but I have been putting like the electrolyte packets and stuff like that in there. I put their little brush that I got in one inside there, the one to brush their feathers, not their eggs, because that one's in my kitchen. But now I have these that I can put in my kit too. I love that because I'm actually growing their medical kit because I don't know what they need. So that's another reason why I was so intrigued with these boxes, because it's going to give me the tools, the treats, the knowledge to know what to do, from helping them like health-wise, for their medical kits, to their treats, to the coop supplies, to keeping out pests and bugs and all kinds of stuff. So I love these boxes. So here is 3 different, it says 1-inch vet wraps. The size is recommended by poultrydvm.com. Log on for excellent chicken information. So you can go to their site and you can get some more good tips, I guess. So that's neat. I love getting new things for their kit. Now we have, it says Sweetgrass Farm Spring Chicken Muscle Rub. Oh, is this for us or is it for the chickens? An old recipe from down on the farm. Directions: rub unto muscles that ache from exertion or just plain old age. So this is definitely for us. What's in it for you? This one does say Spring Chicken Muscle Rub. Made naturally from Sweetgrass Farms, and it smells so nice and feels so good for tired, sore muscles. I'm always doing a little something and get some soreness. So I'm gonna definitely try this. Ooh, it does smell nice. So that's what it looks like down inside, just like a nice balm. So that is awesome, because especially if I'm outside working or doing cleaning or doing anything, sometimes I do get some sore muscles, and now they have you covered. That is awesome. So you have that. And then there's one item left in here, you guys. Oh, this goes with this. I guess this is the card for this company. And it says it's a set of 8 chicken note cards with envelopes and stickers. Look at how freaking cute is that? 8-count note card set with stickers. This beautiful hand-drawn chicken is just beautiful. Enjoy. How freaking cute are these? Oh my gosh. This is super. Oop, I just dropped the sticker. Hold on. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And there's these big stickers. They're not just like little tiny stickers. Look how big they are. So you have these are what to seal the envelopes. Oh my gosh. I've never seen them so big before. So you have all of these stickers that you can seal the envelopes. How pretty is that? And this is the back of the card. That is what matches that sticker. Look at how pretty. The colors, the artwork, and then all of these, I don't know if you noticed, those are all flowers that make that chicken. Isn't that beautiful? Is it just all blank card? Yes. So it's all blank card. You can handwrite your own thing. I have a few friends who have chickens, and my man's sister now has chickens. So if I ever have to give them like a card or a note or anything, that's going to be so cute because they'll appreciate it more because they are chicken moms, you know what I mean? But it would be cute for anybody. And that is the artist. That's the name right there on the back. But isn't that the cutest little card with the chickens, and they're all flowers? And then you have the all brown envelope. And then you can take your sticker and see how big that is. That's what I'm saying. It's a good size sticker to go on there. But that is so cute how everything matches. That is a really cute card set. And I'm all for cards, especially when they're blank, because you never know when you want to drop somebody a line, you need to give somebody a gift, and you just need to have, I like putting cards with it. So I love having blank cards, and those are the cutest little things. So that is everything that came in this August Chicken Love box for the Mega Box. So you have this 8-piece card set with envelopes and, don't forget, stickers. You have this muscle rub that you can use for aching muscles or old age, it says. That's awesome. So that is for us. You have this for the chickens. You can put vegetables or fruit down in there for their treats. You have these for the first aid kit. You have these cutest little pot holders. You have a scrubber, which you can use for anything, but I'm definitely going to be using it for their water. And you have this amazing, cute shirt. And then you have this 1-pound big old bag of treats. All right, you guys. So that is everything again that came in the August mega box for 2022. If you want a little bit more information, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you $5 off your very first box if you are interested. This is a monthly subscription box for the not so crazy chicken lady. What's inside the box? Our boxes come filled with treats and supplies for your chickens, gifts and goodies for the crazy chicken lady, and fun chicken lover lifestyle t-shirts. The different packages, again, there's 3 different levels. So you can do the mega box like I got. This one here is $66 if you want to do month per month. If you do 3 months like I did, it's $65 per box. If you go to 6 months, it brings it to $64, and 12 months is also $64 per box. It includes all products of the month for you and for your flock. 7 to 9 items, plus the t-shirt of the month. The mega box is the favorite of our subscribers and the best of the value. You can do the mini box. So if you want to dabble in here, you want a few products, you want that shirt, you can do the mini box. It's $39 if you do month per month. $38 will be 3 months. $37 if you do 6 or 12 months. It includes 1 featured item of the month for your flock and 1 for you, plus the monthly t-shirt. If you want to just do the monthly t-shirt, if you don't have any chickens or you don't want the supplies, but you want the cute shirt because you just love chickens, this one is $24 a month. If you do 3 months, it's $23.33. 6 months will bring it down to $23, and 12 months will bring it down to $22.50. Are you just looking to nab the super cool, super comfy tees? Choose this option. It is free shipping. Your box will ship free shipping on any of those 3 tiers. And again, the shirts are small to 3XL. They also have their own online shop. I've showed you before things that I've purchased. I've purchased shirts, individual shirts. I bought one for me and one for Rena at Boxes and Deals. I also did buy 2 of their books. They have tons of books and tons of products on their shop. If you want to just grab an individual item, you do not need to have a subscription to shop their shop. I also just bought the cutest little salt and pepper shakers from their shop. They match my kitchen theme perfect. When I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, that looks almost just like the chicken that I purchased that started my whole changing of my whole theme. And it does. It almost matches it identically. And I'm like, that is so cool. So I have the cutest little salt and pepper chicken shakers, and I got them directly from the shop. So you can definitely check them out. It'll all be linked down below. But if you do go to their subscription, SheCrafty will get you that $5 off your very first box. So that is everything for this particular box. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in there? What do you think of chicken love? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.